The House of Fame by Geoffrey Chaucer. The House of Fame, Middle English House of Fame. Author Geoffrey Chaucer, and it was written around 1374 to 1385, written in Middle English and country England. It is a dream vision poem and narrative poem. It is written in octasyllabic couplet, 8 syllable rhyming lines, and it has approximately 2005 lines. It has divided in 3 books. Its subject is fame, truth, poetry, reputation, dreams, Greek mythology, preceded by the Book of the Duchess and the status probably unfinished. Historical background. One of Chaucer's earliest major poems marks the beginning of Chaucer's Italian influenced period. Written after the Book of the Duchess, reflects Chaucer's growing artistic maturity, combines classical mythology with medieval philosophy, questions how truth becomes history and how reputation is created. Literary genre. The poem belongs to the dream vision tradition. Characteristics: narrator falls asleep, experiences a symbolic dream, meets supernatural guides, learns philosophical truths, awakens with new understanding. Other examples are Prior's Plowman, Roman de la Rouge, The Book of the Duchess. Form and structure. The poem has 3 books. Book first, Dream Begins, Glass Temple of Venus, Story of Aeneas and Dido, Betrayed Women, Appearance of the Golden Eagle. Book second, Eagle Carries Chaucer, Discussion of Sound, Nature of Fame, Journey Through the Sky. Book third, Arrival at the House of Fame, Fame gives glory and disgrace. House of Rumor, sudden ending with the man of great authority. Setting. The poem moves through several symbolic locations: Dream World, Temple of Venus, Empty Field, Sky, House of Fame, House of Rumor. Every location represents a philosophical idea. Main characters are Geoffrey Chaucer, narrator; dreamer, observer, curious learner, represents every thoughtful reader; Golden Eagle, messenger of Jupiter, Job, guide through heaven; teacher, explains sound and fame; Fame, goddess of fame, has countless eyes, countless ears, countless tongues, wings on her feet. She symbolized reputation, public opinion, human memory. Alias, god of the winds, which is to trumpet, clear loud fame. Slender, infamy, Venus, goddess of love. Her temple begins the dream. Jupiter, Job, king of the gods, rewards Chaucer by sending him to fame. The man of great authority appears at the end, identity unknown, possibly interpretations. Elijah, a prophet. Richard II, symbol of ultimate truth, and the poet himself. Major themes are fame. Central theme questions include what is fame, who deserves it, is it permanent, truth versus falsehood. History often mixes facts, exaggeration, lies, gossip. Truth becomes difficult to identify. Reputation, public opinion is unreliable. Many famous people are forgotten. Many undeserving people become famous. Power of poetry. Poets preserve memory. Literature creates immortality. Dreams reveal hidden truths. The entire poem is symbolic. Uncertainty. Life has no simple answers. Truth remains incomplete. Fortune. Luck often determines reputation more than merit. Human memory. Memory fades